Hey guys, it's Mel here. Thanks for checking in. In today's video, I am doing this Halloween makeup look of Wednesday Addams. I'm doing my version of her all grown up, trying to give her a little more glam, dark glam, I should say. So I'm going to start with my eyes first, just because it's going to be a lot of dark eyeshadows. So I'm definitely taping my eyes. That way I can make sure my face is clean. So first I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm using the Too Faced Insurance Eyeshadow Primer. And then I am going to go over that with concealer, trying to go with the lightest shade concealer I have, since I'm going to use pretty light face makeup. And then I'm going to set it with a loose setting powder, just a translucent one. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using today is by Pretty Vulgar. This is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette, so it's pretty much cool tones and it's blacks, grays, and browns. Perfect for this look. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is called Hide and Seek. This is going to be our transition shade. A nice cool tone brown. And then I'm going to go in with this dark gray shade called After Midnight. Again in my crease, but this time a little lower. And now I'm going to go in with this black shade called All Nighter, and I'm going to put this on my lid, and then we're going to smoke it up towards the crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Flip Out, just because I feel like I needed a little more darker transition shade with the black. So this is just a deeper cool tone brown, and I'm just blending it all out now. I'm going to take this Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. It's all shimmer shades. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm going in with the black shimmer called Ground. And I'm going to press this on my lid just to give it a little pop. And then I'm going to go in with the silver shimmer called Aluminum. And I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner. And then for a brow bone, I'm going in with this white shimmer called Break Free. Now I'm going to take this NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner and just do a wing liner. So I kind of messed up my wing liner. I fix it after I take off the tape and wipe away the excess, so wing eyeliner is hard for me to do, but it all comes together. That's the best part about doing eyes first, is you can wipe away your mistakes and not mess up your face makeup. So here I'm just removing the tape. And I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and I'm just cleaning up underneath my eyes and the edges of my eyeshadow and fixing my winged eyeliner. For her face, I'm going to start out with primer. I'm going to use this Cover FX blurring primer, just to fill in my pores. I'm using the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Priming Essence Primer. And then for our foundations, I tried to find the lightest foundations I had in my collection. Ended up going with the L'Oreal Lumi True Match foundation in the lightest shade I had. And then again, going in with the lightest concealer I have, I used this L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the lightest shade, and I'm just blending that out. And I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder to make my makeup last all night. And then I'm going to take this Cover FX Matte Bronzer in Suntan. So this is a very cool tone bronzer, and I'm just using to add some definition to my face. Not really trying to warm up my face, just trying to give it some contour. I think I went a little too heavy. No surprise here. So I did go a little too heavy with the bronzer, but I'm going in with that Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the shade Hide and Seek to add a little more cooler tone to tone it down. And then I even go in with the shade Dark Side to even deepen that contour with like a dark gray color, trying to make it death-like. So I suggest just going in with the dark gray tones. I wouldn't even go in with the bronzer. I think if I would have skipped the bronzer and just went in with those death tones, with those dark tones, it would have turned out better. So I just did my eyebrows here. Now I'm just carving out my contour, trying to just make it a little sharper and adding a little more white powder to my face. Now I am going to add highlight because this is Wednesday Gone Glam, and I'm using the Artist Couture loose highlighter. This is the mini version, and it's in the color Coco Bling. It's just a really blinding white highlighter. Thought this was perfect for the pale makeup. So I'm going to add a tad bit of blush from this Tarte Blissful Blush palette, just this really pale peach, just to make me look a little more lively. You do not have to do this. I just felt weird without blush. Going back into the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take that All Nighter Black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go into my eyebrows that are filled in just to make them look more black. I am going to actually spray paint my hair black to kind of go with the Wednesday, the whole look. And now I'm just doing my lower lash line and just using those same colors, going in order, starting with the hide and seek, then going in with after midnight, and then the black shade on the outer corners. And I'm going in with that white shimmer, break free, and just again adding it on my inner corner just to brighten it a little. And here I'm trying to make my contour more gray, so I keep going in the eyeshadow palette and trying to make it more gray to get rid of that kind of golden brown. So don't start with bronzer. And here I am middle parting my hair, and to make it classic Wednesday, I am going to give myself a deeper widow's peak just using eyeshadow. Wednesday has that classic widow's peak that's pretty prominent, so I'm going to give myself one. Perfect. Now I'm going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray so our makeup will last all night. Then I am just fanning myself here. Love this little fan. And I'm adding a quick coat of mascara, and then I am going to go in with false lashes. The false lashes I use kind of have like a spider effect. They're by Lashaholic in the style Instaglam. So here they are, really perfect for this look. Now I'm just adding lower mascara. Now I'm gonna do my hair. So I braided my hair and put in black hairspray, hair paint, and the look's coming together. So now I'm just taking a classic black eyeliner pencil and doing my waterline. And I'm actually gonna use the same pencil to line my lips because I don't have a black lip liner. And we're gonna go in with black liquid lipstick in a second. And the liquid lipstick I'm going to go in with is by NYX. It's the liquid Suede cream lipstick in the shade Alien. And then to add a little bit of dimension, I'm going in with this Maybelline Electric Shine lip gloss, and just in the middle, and I'm going in with, and it's the shade Midnight Prism, and just trying to make it an ombre look. So here's the final look, guys, of Wednesday Addams all grown up. This is great for Halloween. super easy, super fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.